Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb liyazur to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Fi'lu amr, commandment. Fi'lu amr, commandment. We are going to learn how to instruct others to do something using different forms of verbs. The question is, how do we change the verb liyazur to suit the pronouns below? Liyazur simply means he should visit. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb liyazur to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb liyazur to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach alifun. So the verb liyazur will now become li'azur, which means I should visit. Ithnan, number two. Nahnu, we. So how do we change the verb liyazur to suit nahnu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. So the verb liyazur will now become linazur, which means we should visit. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb liyazur to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach lamun and ya'un. So the verb liyazur will now become zur, which means visit. You can only use this to command a single male person to visit. Arba'a, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb liyazur to suit anti? The same principle is applicable. However, we are going to attach ya'un to the last letter. So the verb liyazur will now become zuri. So once ya'un is attached, the letter before it must take kasra. And once ra'un is taking kasra, our lost wa'un will now be retained, because the ra'un is no longer taking sukun. The ra'un is now taking kasra. The reason why the wa'un was omitted in zur was because ra'un was taking sukun and wa'un was also taking sukun. You know, in Arabic, two letters carrying sukun will never meet. Now that ra'un is taking kasra because of the ya'un attached to it, so we can now retain our lost wa'un. So the verb liyazur will now become zuri, which means visit. We can only use this to command a single female person. Hamza, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb liyazur to suit here? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb liyazur will now become litazur, which means she should visit. Remember, we use ta'un to talk about a single female person and ya'un to talk about a single male person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahiz, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahiz, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two. A plurality in Arabic starts from three upward, unlike English, where it starts from two upward. Then we talk about muzakkar. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb zur can only be used to command a single male person to visit. So if they are two, you attach alifun to the last letter. Remember, once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fataha, as we know that the alifun is the mother of fataha in Arabic. So the verb zur will now become zura. Zura. Now that the rawun is taking fatha, we can now retain our lost wawun. So the verb zur will now become zura, which means you should both visit. So if they are more than two, we attach wawun to the last letter of the verb zur, and once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma. So the verb zur will now become zuru. Zuru, which means visit, commanding a group of male persons. You should all visit. Now we talk about mu'annas, feminine, being a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the verb zuri can only be used to command a single female person to visit. So if there are two, use the same form of the verb to make the command. So if there are more than two, go and replace ya'un in zuri with nunun carrying fataha, then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb zuri will now become zurna. Zurna, which means you should all visit. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So al-istimal, now the usage. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid number one. ليزر خالد الجامعة في شهر محرم. ليزر خالد الجامعة في شهر محرم. ليزر خالد, Khalid should visit الجامعة, the university, في شهر محرم, in the month of Muharram. ليزر خالد, Khalid should visit الجامعة, the university, في شهر محرم, in the month of Muharram. اثنان, number two. لتزر زينب مدينة أبوجا في شهر الصفر. لتزر زينب مدينة أبوجا في شهر الصفر. لتزر زينب, Zainab should visit مدينة أبوجا, the city of Abuja, في شهر الصفر, in the month of Safar. ثلاثة, number three. زر مدينة كانو في شهر ربيع الأول يا أخي. زر مدينة كانو في شهر ربيع الأول يا أخي. زر, visit مدينة كانو, the city of Kanu, في شهر ربيع الأول, in the month of ربيع الأول, يا أخي, my brother. زر, visit مدينة كانو, the city of Kanu, في شهر ربيع الأول, in the month of ربيع الأول, يا أخي, my brother. أربعة, number four. زوري كينيا في شهر جمادى الأولى يا زينب. زوري كينيا في شهر جمادى الأولى يا زينب. زوري, visit كينيا, visit كينيا في شهر جمادى الأولى, in the month of جمادى الأولى, يا زينب, زينب. زوري, visit كينيا, visit كينيا في شهر جمادى الأولى, in the month of جمادى الأولى, يا زينب, زينب. خمسة, number five. زوروا ولاية كوغي في شهر جمادى الثانية. زوروا ولاية كوغي في شهر جمادى الثانية. So زوروا, you should both visit ولاية كوغي, Kogi state, في شهر جمادى الثانية, in the month of جمادى الثانية. زوروا ولاية كوغي, you should both visit Kogi state, في شهر جمادى الثانية, in the month of جمادى الثانية. سبعة, number seven. زوروا الجزائر في شهر رجب يا إخوة. زوروا الجزائر في شهر رجب يا إخوة. زوروا الجزائر, you should all visit Algeria, في شهر رجب, in the month of Rajab, يا إخوة, brothers. زوروا الجزائر, you should all visit Algeria, في شهر رجب, in the month of Rajab, يا إخوة, brothers. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. سبعة, number seven. زرنا الجزائر في شهر شعبان يا أخوات. زرنا الجزائر في شهر شعبان يا أخوات. زرنا الجزائر, you should all visit Algeria, في شهر شعبان, in the month of شعبان, يا أخوات, sisters. زرنا الجزائر, you should all visit Algeria, في شهر شعبان, in the month of شعبان, يا أخوات, sisters. ثمانية, number eight. لأزر أخي الصغير غدا. لأزر أخي الصغير غدا. لأزر, I should visit أخي الصغير, my younger brother, غدا, tomorrow. لأزر, I should visit أخي الصغير, my younger brother, غدا, tomorrow. 8 number 8. لنزر أخي الكبير هذا المساء. لنزر أخي الكبير هذا المساء. لنزر أخي الكبير هذا المساء. لنزر أخي الكبير. We should visit my elder brother هذا المساء, this evening. لنزر أخي الكبير. We should visit my elder brother هذا المساء, this evening. So how do you say this morning? هذا الصباح. هذا الصباح, this morning. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to go to the classroom, take your lesson, watching a single video clips, and revise it using the PDF file below it. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.